Can you imagine if your home sale fell apart because you were not willing to pay for any repairs that the buyer requested you to pay for? Man, that would suck. It would be your fault. When you accepted that buyer's offer, they had an inspector come out and he assessed some issues that needed repair. Instead of being understanding of the fact that the buyer was tight on funds and wanted you to help out on some of the repairs, you became a stubborn old penny pincher. Because of your unwillingness to help out, you promptly caused your own home sale to fall apart, and the buyer exercised their right to walk away during their option period. Shame, shame, shame.